When a massive tunnel boring machine finishes its job, it's often so huge and expensive that pulling it back out isn't practical. Instead, a side chamber is dug out right next to the main tunnel. The parts of the machine that can be reused are disassembled and brought back to the surface. However, the remaining shell is filled with concrete and abandoned deep underground. Once buried, the machine is slowly forgotten, while the very tunnel it created continues to be used for decades. He eased his shoulders into the water-filled tunnel, clutching his rifle tight against his chest. Using his feet to push, he slowly crawled backward until his entire body was inside. The tunnel was flooded, leaving only a tiny pocket of air at the top to breathe. Once inside, the only way out was to keep navigating through the narrow passages without drowning. This 9-foot-long tunnel is a brutal part of commando training, which is why there's a warning posted above. Enter at your own risk, as it can be fatal. A truck driver was eating an apple while cruising down the highway. Suddenly, a piece got lodged in his throat, completely blocking his airway. As he began to lose consciousness, the truck drifted across the road and slammed into a concrete wall. The impact was so violent that his chest slammed into the steering wheel. But miraculously, that sudden jolt forced the piece of apple out of his throat, saving his life.